Hi guys, Venkatesh here. Welcome to the next tutorial. We're going to download the JDK and install it. So let's open a browser and type into Google JDK. JDK meaning the Java Development Kit. The link we're looking for is this one here. Don't worry, I will leave a link in the description below. Let's go ahead and click that. Yeah, just accept all cookies here. As you can see, there are various versions of the Java Development Kit here. However, the one that we require is going to be the latest one, which is Oracle JDK, or the Java SE download, SE meaning standard edition. Click on download here. Okay, now down here, accept the license agreement. And now, of course, obviously, depending on your operating system, select the appropriate one. I'm just going to go with this one, JDK-12 Windows x64 bin exe. Okay, and I'll just download this. Okay, once your download is complete, just go to the folder where it's been downloaded to. It's usually in the downloads folder, so let's just open that. And it's this one here, JDK-12 Windows x64 bin. Let's just double click this. And just click on yes. Click next. Again, next. Then close. Okay, and that's your JDK installed. Okay, now that that's done, next we need to set up the environment variables so that we can actually run Java in the command prompt. So just go over here and type in advanced system settings. And it's this one here we need, so just click on this. Okay, and then we need to change the environment variables. So click on this. And next, come down to here, system variables, and then click on path and edit. What we need to do is actually add the path to the JDK. So to get that, let's go back here and just go to the C drive, and so this will be on your main hard drive. Go to program files, Java, JDK, and then bin, and then in here in the address bar, just click on it and then copy this. Don't need that anymore. Close that, and then here, back in the environment variables, click New, and then paste the location of the JDK. Click OK. OK again. OK again. Okay, now we can check that this has been done correctly. Just type in here command prompt. Let's open that and then type in Java -version, enter. As you can see here, it says Java version 12, which was released on the 19th of March 2019, and of course the standard edition runtime environment. Congratulations, you've installed the JDK and it's correctly set up on your system. In the next tutorial, we will run a simple program using the command prompt. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit subscribe and the like button. And I'll see you in the next video.